Welcome to Festool TV. My name is Frank, and today I'd like to show you Festool's planers. Festool offers two types of planers. One of them is the EHL65, a one-handed planer, which is very well suited for the work of leveling of scribing strips or for the fitting of kitchen worktops. Here I can guide the planer with one hand while holding the workpiece down with the other hand. The other type is the big planer, the HL850 model, featuring a large base plate. HL850 has the advantage that it can process rebates of unlimited depth. When I drive up the cover with my thumb, I'm able to access all rebates regardless of their depth. This means that if I have to renovate wood door sections or wooden window sections, I'm able to renovate the appropriate rebates and repair the whole structure. In practice, it works like this. I insert the planer here, push back the cover, and can now process the rebate. This planer has quite an ingenious design. I also have the option to select different planer heads for different applications. If you take a closer look at the planer head, you'll see that there's only one cutter on the cutter block, and it's in a slightly inclined position. This means that the cutters in Festool's planers are arranged at an angle to achieve a drawing cut. In this way, you get improved surface quality, especially in solid wood processing, as well as fewer cutter impact blows. Cutter impact blows are individual elevations in material and can also bruise the material. This type of cutter also has the advantage that it doesn't produce loud noises, and you can get a much more pleasant sound during planing. All you need to replace the planer head is an Allen wrench. Here I use this type of wrench to replace the planer head. Why would I need to replace it? Let's have a look at further potential applications. By using different planer heads in various profiles, I have the option to create undulations. These can be made to look a little finer or a little coarser. In addition, I can also attain a rustic effect. And it's even possible to create an axe-hewn look. And this is perfect, especially for renovation work on half-timbered houses. If old logs are used there, these can be processed additionally to achieve this rustic look. This cutter block is installed as follows. First, I release the spindle lock located in the rear section. Then I loosen the screw with the wrench. And I can now remove the planer head. This rustic planer head is slightly undulated to achieve this axe-hewn effect. As you can see, the whole process is quite simple. Finally, a small depth limiter is installed in the front section. It prevents me from increasing chip removal during work. Otherwise, I'd run the risk of damaging the bottom plate with the barrel-shaped planer head. This is made impossible through this small accessory. Now the planer is ready to create a rustic surface. Let's do that. The planer is prepared and connected to the extraction system. Chip removal is reduced to a minimum. Now I proceed to fold up the support leg in the rear part and start trimming or processing the material in small steps. As you see, it's incredibly easy to create a very rustic-looking structure. Also, the sound of this cutter is actually quite pleasant. This planer offers excellent opportunities for shaping and designing rustic structures. I hope you enjoyed watching this video on working with the planer. I look forward to seeing you next time. Yours, Frank.